Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here let's pick shooting methods. Now at the second position we can see the voice commands option, so we can take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and record videos by saying record video. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on and let's move back to the camera. Let me try to use this by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, nothing happens, so I guess we have to be pretty loud to make it work. So maybe let me try to say it louder, smile. And now it works, so I've taken the picture by saying keyword. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.